here are some crumbs in the water. Oh, I think I just saw one. Let's go check a little higher up. It may be warm and humid, but we're going shelling. There's a jingle. As I've said before, every day is different. And this week I've been keying in on the grass. I've been seeing shells and sand dollars tied up in the grass. So not only are we going to check in the water, check along the water's edge, but we're going to walk along this grass and see what we can find. And maybe, just maybe, look at how calm it is. Maybe we'll see some dolphins today. Alright, see? You see it? Right there in the edge of the grass. Hiding on us. Oh, here's a nice spot. Look at this. There's one out in the open. Oh, a little higher. There's another one. Let's grab that one. And then I just saw... Alright, there's something white in the grass over there. Let's grab these. Let's get down a little closer. See it? Pretty cool. See some color, but look at that. That's not a sand dollar. Look at that. Now that would have been cool. Lip of a bonnet. Alright, time for a break. Dolphin check. I don't see one yet. Keep walking. And look at here. Right out in the open. Then we go a little higher up. I almost missed that one. It's a little darker. Not a live one though. I don't know how long this grass is gonna last. Oh, here we go. But it's taught us to key in on these lines. Look at the color here. Look at that. That would have been awesome to find whole. We'll put that one in the garden though. Beautiful sunray Venus. Oh, here's a sand dollar right here. Pan out, see if y'all can see it. Right over there. In the grass. Alright, time to stretch, but I already see one. Y'all can see the egg cockle over there. Alright, just stretch a little bit. We'll grab the egg cockle. And then, check the grass. Here we go. Go underneath. Collect another sand dollar. Oh, I just saw someone duck in this condo. Let's go peek. I don't see anybody. Let's follow this grass. It's a piece of a sand dollar. Oh, there's one over there. I think that's a piece of plastic. Put that in my pocket quick. Alright. There's a little sand dollar. Alright, I'm looking right here. So if y'all haven't seen, I have some short videos, and a couple of them are titled, Did You See It? So looking right there. Did you see it? That was kind of fun. It's like hiding under the broken piece. Let's look up a little higher. Definitely walking slower today. When you're looking for these teeny tinies, there's a slipper snail. Especially when the sand dollars are hiding in the grass. Here's a calico scallop. You gotta walk a little slower. A little broken one. Pretty colors. So look at here. This one just popped out at me. Yes, I could see the shape, But as soon as I turned and looked, I saw the keyhole. So remember that, look for the keyhole. So I just took a photo of this spot, kind of cool. Grass curved around. I see a keyhole. Oh, the water's coming up. I also see this circle. Be gentle and pick it up. Here's another one. So I'll probably answer this, well, several times. I had that one. How do I get the sand dollars back? The comment was, every time I pick one up, they're always broken. We'll start off by going underneath. It's okay to pick up a little sand. Hold them flat. And then, I'm going to readjust a little bit. So I had to reach in my pocket for this one. So I use little zip bags. I put the sand dollars in there, and then they lie flat. And then I carry them along. Oh, my spidey senses. I just turned, and an osprey hit the water and grabbed a fish. But I see some shell crumbs right here. No, that's not a sand dollar. Venus clam. Nothing there, nothing there. Alright, let's go higher up. So look at here. Is it whole? Bring it up to the spectacles. A calico clam. We found one the other day, and those are the only two. Here comes the water. The only two we found in like a month. We grabbed that calico and walked a little bit. There's a sand dollar in the grass. Saw a broken sand dollar. Look at here. Bigger jingle. Check the grass. So let me back up a little bit, and I just noticed this. Backing up. We've been following the wet grass line right there. And a lot of times I always assume that in these swash lines, look around here, that there are footy prints, and this is old. And as I panned out, I noticed, nope, I should start looking for shells and sand dollars there. No one's walked through there. I just saw something surface. I don't know if it's a turtle. Oh, bait fish. Kind of hard to walk past this. Oh wait, what's that up in the grass? Crab shell. Yep. Oops. Dropped it. Let me grab it. Had to bring it up to the spectacles. Look at that, little speckled talon. Oh, nice. Nice. I've seen a couple smaller ones. This is about the biggest cockerel we've seen recently. I always say, they are so pretty. The colors are so rich. And this one may have just washed up. Reach underneath. Well, I don't know how many we have. Let's set these down a little higher. But I saw... There we go. Alright, where is it? I saw what I thought was a teeny little... Here we go. Look at that. Little old jewel box. So this was the demonstration bag. See how flat they are? And then, oh, just dropped that jingle. I'm gonna reach back. And then this is the bag that we've been putting all the earlier sand dollars in. All right, let me switch hands and get them out. All right, I got them out of the main sand dollar bag. Now generally I get like 99% of them home. Unless I drop them. Look at them. But they just, you know, kind of stack up flat. And nothing really happens. Got some nice color today. How's that for a beautiful morning? Found some color in the shells, found some sand dollars in the grass. Pretty good morning. And a few tips and tricks. So thank y'all for coming out. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be seeing y'all back out on the beach. Y'all take care. All right, I think I'm gonna pick up those sand dollars, maybe check the water. You can click on that box for your next video, or the circle with the Genonia down on the right to subscribe.